Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Technical Days. We will update you on the Nifty as well as USD technical outlook. In previous weeks, index started the week on flat note and it has witnessed extreme volatility on either side throughout the week. Nifty closed around 8638 with loss of 55 points on week basis. On the weekly chart, index has formed a small bearish candle carrying long lower shadow indicating buying support at lower levels. Since past 3 consecutive weeks, index is consolidating within 8750 to 8500 levels, representing short-term sideways trend. From current levels, the chart pattern indicates that if Nifty trade and sustains above its immediate resistance zone of 8670 level, then it may witness further pullback rally towards 8730 to 8780 levels. From current levels, immediate short-term support zone is around 8560 level. Any violation of this support zone will cause selling pressure around 8500 levels and 8430 levels. Currently, Nifty is sustaining below its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average, which supports bearish sentiment in short term as well as in medium term. As Nifty continues to remain in a downtrend on the daily chart, forming lower top lower bottom formation, so small pullback rally will remain as an exit opportunity for traders. For the week, we expect Nifty to trade within a range of 8720 to 8500 levels with mixed bias. On the indicator front, the weekly strength indicator RSI is continuing to move downwards and it is quoting below reference line indicating negative strength, whereas momentum indicator stochastic is in positive territory indicating buying may arise near support zone. Moving to the USD technical outlooks, in Friday's session, USD opened on a flat note and it has witnessed selling pressure for most part of the trading session. It has formed a bearish candle forming lower high-low formation compared to previous session, indicating further weakness. Since past 5 consecutive weeks, USD is consolidating within 67.40 to 67 levels, indicating short-term sideways trend. USD continue to trend below its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average, which supports bearish sentiment in short term as well as in medium term. For the day, if USD trade and sustains below 67 levels, then it may witness further selling pressure towards 66.90 to 66.80 levels. On the upside, immediate intraday resistance zone is around 67.10 levels. Any sustainable move above this level will cause some pullback rally towards 67.20 levels. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in negative territory and they are quoting below 50 mark, indicating selling may arise on pullback rally. Thank you.